All right, everyone. Today's um, take on where we might be heading for the Globex session, 22 August 2022. With everything we talked about yesterday, all the levels, everything said just like everything went just like we said it would. We're down here today, the RT8 session. Still showing for the day. I actually think so. This is the week, right? And of course, the first day of the trading week, both candles are going to be the same, the weekly and the daily candle. So we opened up below this confluence area that we had as support. It did not hold, obviously, as support during RTH, and we opened up below that. It's simple. It's a ceiling, okay? Um, we expect to bounce up into that if we get anything. Uh, but I expect to drop to the bottom of. Uh, this is where we're heading. The monthly volume profile low. This is August. For the month, the volume profile low 12/8/15 50. So this is my take on it. So uh, we'll wait till Asia opens up in about 28 minutes. Uh, what zones am I going to play? So we have. It's amazing at this volume zone. Look at that. It's not an accident. This point of control right here is dead to the tick of the bottom of today's volume zone. The volume profile went all the way to here. Okay? Went all the way to here. It's not an accident. Look at this. Look at this. That's a daily point of control. Okay, we're on the daily. Look at this. 12/8/77. The low of this candle. Let's look right here. Low of this candle. 12/8/74. Okay? This is a zone, so we could say uh, that volume, that point of control on the 29th of July was there was a lot of people waiting there. So look here, today we're above today's session's point of control. This was a confluence area. Get into our 30-minute. Doing just what we expect. Okay, we hit that volume profile area low. We're bouncing up, and I'm going to take it short. If there's a short to be taken, my bias is still short because on the daily, I still expect to hit this orange line. Which is a confluence area of some sort. I don't remember what it was now. But let's look at volume profile. Right. Let's go 30 minutes. Yeah, 180 days. I always make a mistake. I do 10 days. Okay, so look at this. Look at this. The monthly, the orange is the monthly, right? The monthly point of control for the ES is going to be 4120. All right. Let's look at NASDAQ, the NQ, what I'm actually doing here. Uh, monthly volume profile, low. I am biased toward hitting that at 8:15, 12/8/15. Before doing anything else, I'm biased towards that. And then 12/7/90. What do we have? It's like a point of control of some sort because it's yellow. It's been hit. It's been a while since I updated these lower ones. That is a point of control. It's it's a daily point of control. But as you can see, it's been hit already. Been hit all through here. Yeah, I left it. Yeah, after a certain point, I didn't update it anymore. So, all right. Well, just let's start highlighting these monthly volume areas, these volume nodes. Okay. Let's do that. Let's duplicate this draw. That's going to be important. That's going to be important. This whole area right here really is going to be important. But just like yesterday's thesis, if we were going to be in a long, we expected that price would fight it. It would have to fight its way up, right? So, uh, well, if we start to get below a certain level, we're going to see that we are definitely going to see that it's going to be the same going down here. All right, look at this right here is a good spot. 12.6 might be a good spot. If it's below us, we're going to color it green. A confluence area, we're going to color it green, okay? Because there's a confluence of multiple time frames. All right. We expect some sort of reaction there. Now the blue, the turquoise blue, if it runs into an orange, there's a confluence. Look, and there's a daily. This is going to be also a point at which we may get a bounce. Or at least it's going to let me know if I'm in a short, it's going to let me know to get out, right? Or maybe not get out, but it's going to let me know, hey man, be on the lookout. The bias might change. So here's what, so here we have a weekly point of control. So let's do this. The point of control is pretty thin. I mean, I normally draw just a line, but I can do a zone. Nothing's ever a line, is it? I mean, it's do a zone. So we do a zone here. Edit properties. We're going to color code it magenta, which is the same. We'll just leave that. Oh, turn it down a little bit. Bottom right point is going to be 23. All right. Let's turn it down. I want it still a little bit brighter. Okay. All right. That's it for now. See, we have this big confluence area here. Magenta is the point of control. It's a weekly point of control. Excuse me, yeah, weekly point of control. Uh, Here, so don't expect to all the way get. You can see. It's been a while since I been down this far on the charts, but I mean, we might be heading there. I don't. Oh, see what the chart says, but that's my levels right now. As I'm biased toward hitting that monthly, the bottom of that August monthly volume profile. That's what I'm biased toward. So I'm only looking for shorts. I'm only looking for shorts until uh so here's the 30, we're looking at 30 minutes. So I mean, if we get above a monthly level, I mean, for me, I'm gonna, man, I don't know. It's just, I don't want to be stuck in a bias loop, but right now I am definitely not convinced that we are, that the bulls are going to be strong enough to take it away from this magnet, which is that volume profile low on the month. They don't expect that. So, given some good price action uh, setup, I do expect to be in a short, probably below, uh, or maybe in this zone, right? Short at the high, long at the low. Short at the high, long at the low. I'm not a breakout trader. I'm not going to necessarily take that on the breakout. I'm not going to do that. So, uh, uh, right here, the POC. If I get it, if I uh, if price gets here, I will be looking to get this zone. Is this a zone? Right, it's a zone. Uh, do expect a reaction there. So I don't know whether to on the 15 minutes going to be the kind of the factor here, or possibly maybe even the 30 minute. See what's it's definitely not going to be the 5 minute. 5 minute for entries. We do have a nice flag here, so all right. Switch over to lane, lane one. See what we're looking like here, right? With the RTH high, this is do we percent. Okay, so now here's this floor. Floor becomes a ceiling. Ceiling becomes a floor. So might be, you know, 12,971 might be the spot. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Those are my levels. Um, I'm looking to take a short at the PO's point of control, 12,972, or in this zone right here, 12,972 to 12,980. And my target will be this monthly profile low at 12,815. So that'd be a nice little setup. Just getting at the highs on the short, maybe in this zone. But a lower high has been made. Uh, so I have to see some more convincing. That's what I'm looking at for now. All right, everybody.